This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my pre-market, or this is my pre-market analysis. Let's review what I have trading right now on Cardano. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing on my charts. So what I'm seeing on my charts right now, or I'll show you, this is the candlestick area. These gray vertical bars that you're seeing here, this is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD indicator. These purple lines that you're seeing here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot S3, Camarilla pivot S4. This blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. Okay, this is the 200 EMA, exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart, 4-hour chart. This is the weekly chart. So I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on Cardano. Let's go down here to the weekly. What I like to look at first is the 200 EMA, this blue line that you're seeing here. The price action is currently trading above or right at the EMA, so not ideal, but the price action for this week is selling off. So there's the potential that it could break the 200 EMA and sell below. So this is a bit of a risky position for me, not ideal, but if I don't take the position here, I won't get a position in this particular currency pair. Here we can see trading well below the 200 EMA, and here on the 15 we can see trading well below the 200 EMA. So I have 2 out of 3, and I have the 15 and the 4 hour. Which, from my experience, are going to lead any larger time frames if the move is happening first on a smaller time frame. So not ideal, but there's a potential that this could sell right at or below the EMA. So a bit of a risky position for me, but I'll keep, or my stop is pretty tight, and we'll see how it goes. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on the 4-hour structurally. So we're below this 200 EMA. We've sold off below this Camarilla pivot level. And this level that I'm looking for, or looking at for a target, I believe is, actually we'll back up and then I'll show you where my stop and my target are on this particular trade. Okay, this is my stop loss here, and we'll scan over until we can get a target pulled up. So the target is based off of this candle right here. This candle right here, and I believe this is the last strong low, and you can see my stop is just below this candle. We'll zoom out a bit. This would have been the last, actually I'm not sure when the last strong low was, because to me this looks like a lot of consolidation here on this larger time frame on the 4-hour here. And this morning I did not go through it to try to decipher what is what in this consolidation, but this is quite a long consolidation here, quite a range that Cardano is trading in. But this was the structurally the next level where we're likely to see some kind of test or any kind of resistance here. We can see the volume profile here is a bit elevated in a few areas. We can see here. So I would anticipate some type of resistance here in this area. This is where my goal is to take profits right below this area if Cardano can get going. And we'll come up to the 15-minute and I'll break down my entry. So here's what I'm seeing here on the 15-minute that got me to take this position. So this is S3, and this is S4 here. This grid that you're seeing here, this is a Fibonacci retracement. So when I was seeing this, we can see the price action here sells off down below this S4 level. And then I use the Fibonacci retracement. So we can see here, this is the low here, this 65.97 candle. This is the low here. So to use the Fibonacci just to trace back this low originated based on my trading right here, because we can see this high here is 67.91, and then this is 67.87. So this is the last high, or let's say the last potential push by any buyers or attempt by any buyers to lift the price. They were unable to. This is the, let's say, initiatory move down to this level here. So then I set the Fibonacci retracement level up, and then I want to look for an entry somewhere around this 0.618 or ideally the 0.764 level. We can see here I'm able to take my entry right at around this 0.764 level. So Fibonacci wise, the level checked out. Right now we're trading just above this level. So we'll see if there's continuation to this trade or if it pulls back. The target is simply 65. So it got close to profit target, but not quite there before this pullback came in. So we'll see if this is simply pullback to a level, or if this is the currency pair rejecting and going back up. We'll see how this goes. Right now we're consolidating right here near my entry, so it's too early to tell what we have going on right now. The main thing right now, or at least the main concern for me in this particular trade, is this weekly candle right here being trading right at the 200 EMA. So it's a borderline trade for me. I think it's a good idea to take what you see if there are opportunities there, but this is a risky trade for me for that particular reason. And I'll walk it out so you can see my positions. So I'm currently in Polkadot as well as Cardano. Cardano I'm a little bit back on as far as in my entry price is now in between the spread. So there's a 9-cent spread on Cardano. So even though I have an entry, or at least right now it may be coming up on turning green if it continues to sell off here. But I got an earlier entry on Polkadot that allowed me to be in a good position right now. I was not able to take an early position in Cardano, nor I don't think I would want to with the fact that it is trading, let's say, with the weekly not necessarily in the most desirable position. And now it's gone green or gone below, or you can see right now it's pretty much at my entry level, and just price action is consolidating right here within the spread. And we'll take a quick look at Polkadot. So Polkadot, I took an entry early here with my stop back above this level. So this is the S3 level on Polkadot, and this is the S4 level on Polkadot. So I took an entry in between S3 and S4. Not ideal, but seeing this double top type pattern here with these two candles forming a high. This candle is just a little bit lower, and at the S3 level, I noticed how Cardano was setting up in the middle of the range between S3 and S4. And I don't really like having a stop without some type of resistance level behind me. So with this, I took the entry midway of the range with the stop above the range, and we can see now Polkadot coming into the middle of this range here, which it is giving the correct risk to reward to take an entry here, but I've already taken it back here, and that way I'm not having to deal with the similar situation like I'm having in Cardano. We'll go back to Cardano, where I am having to wait for price action to decide what it's going to do right here, and also having a stop that doesn't necessarily have any protection or any resistance level behind it. So to me, this kind of feels more like for lack of a better word, like a naked stop, like not having anything concrete or anything firm behind me. So I don't particularly like this position. Again, not having a level at my back, and also having this weekly candle right here. So we'll see how this position goes. It's a little too close for me not to attempt the position, but it's not necessarily ideal, but it's worth a look. And we can see here on the 4 hour, this looks like pullback to me, this particular candle right here. But with all these things setting up the way that they're setting up, we'll see how it goes. It's pretty early in the day, or at least in the current session. We're about 4 minutes away from what would be the open of the U.S. market. So I think we'll get an idea pretty soon on exactly what we're looking at. And we'll go up to, we'll go to my trading history here. And we can see today's trading history. So here's my first position in Polkadot at 506, my second position in Polkadot, and I exited my first position just to get a better price. So I took about a $4.50 loss on Polkadot just to get a better entry price, and I will take a position if I want to get a better price. I will enter the new position and then exit the old position immediately. That way, there have been times in the past where I've exited a position and attempted to re-enter a position, but found myself in getting a worse entry. So this is something that I do now to protect myself from that. And this is Cardano here. So these are my current positions and my current trading history now. So we'll keep an eye on these and see how they go this morning. This is On Tilt Trading.